Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with admin rights because Windows protects system apps. Open Start, type Settings, then go to Apps and Features. This lists installed programs. Once there, use the search box to find Microsoft Edge quickly so you don't scroll. Make sure Windows is updated and you have a restore point in case something unexpected happens. Now that Edge appears in the list, you're ready to attempt removal through the supported UI or prepare for the manual steps that follow. If an uninstall button is available, click it and follow prompts. Windows will remove user-level components. If Edge has no uninstall, run PowerShell as administrator. List packages with getapps package *Microsoft. Microsoft Edge *, note the package full name, and run remove apps package full name to remove it for your user. For system installs, you may need to use the new Microsoft Edge installer with a removal flag or after removal, clean leftover folders in %local app data % and %program files % only if you understand the files. This prevents stray launchers. Then, set your preferred default browser under Settings right arrow default apps so links open correctly. If removal fails, create a system restore point and either reinstall Edge, then uninstall or use system restore to revert. One key troubleshooting tip. If Edge reappears after updates, disable automatic reinstall by blocking the specific installer in Windows Update or use group policy only on supported editions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.